Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to add a poll in Slack. So after you open Slack, you're going here to the left sidebar, and at the bottom, you want to click on Add Apps. Then in the search bar, you're going to search for a simple poll. Then you want to click on it. Then you're going to click on Add to Slack over here, but I've already have it downloaded. So after you've downloaded that, you will see it over here at the left sidebar under Apps. Then you're going to choose a channel. Then at the message box, you're going to type the poll. Then you can go ahead and click on Create Poll. Then over here, you want to write the question or the topic. Then you can also select how many options you want for your question, or you can also add pre-fill options. Then you're going to input the options over here. Then just click on Preview. Click on Create Poll. Click on Save. Create Poll again. And that's it. Thanks for watching.